Hey guys, so we are heading to GIE. I'm at the airport. We're gonna head on out. Looking forward to seeing anybody and everybody that's gonna be there. Looking forward to it. It's gonna be awesome. So let's get to it. She's so stressed out. She's like out of there, and I'm chasing after her, trying to figure out where she went. Let's get the heck out of here. We're late. I'm like, no, we're not late. Nothing.
This is like a make fun of Amy.
Yeah, so. Hey!
Howdy.
How are ya?
Very good.
Thanks for getting us here safe.
You bet.
What's your name?
Mike.
Mike Stevens, thank
Yes.
you. Appreciate it. So I just met Mike the pilot. Oh man, wasn't that a treat? When do you get to see that ever? It's never happened to me before. Genuine bona fide pilot.
Made it.
Would you look at that?
Yeah.
It was a scary flight or something. Yeah, it's so scary, huh?
It wasn't awesome.
It was awesome.
So
That was
bad.
like a bumpy, fun one.
It was really bumpy.
Yeah.
And there was thunder and lightning everywhere.
And it was so fun.
Thunder.
It's so good to his wife. Huh?
I love him dearly.
Tim. Hello? Hey, Tim. Where are you? You're at GIE? I'm at GIE. Sweet. Who are you with? Alan Hain?
Yeah.
Ryan?
It's awful. Like, they are such a part of your family.
Ryan Knorr? So that Ryan, he's always trying to steal my thunder. Oh, man. So look who I found here, Jake the Lawn Kid himself at where?
The GIE Expo.
The GIE Expo 2019. This is where you want to go if you want to get all the good information. Not some of that fake stuff that I'm giving you. Go to his channel to get the legit stuff, right?
I appreciate it, man. Yeah.
Okay, give her the phone. Yeah, that's what she said. Well, isn't he the guy with the mustache? And I'm like, well, he had the mustache for the one video.
Am I just holding this here? Or are you gonna
No,
talk?
take the picture with his phone.
Okay, what am I doing with this? Awesome.
Okay, that's enough for the video camera. Now take a picture with his phone.
Yeah.
Well, thank you for letting me chat your ear off.
No problem.
It was fun.
If you want to email me, you can email me. It's in the description.
Okay.
All the videos.
The link down below.
Yeah.
Check out the link below.
See, you know, you tease something and then they're like, well, you said. And if you don't follow through, we're kicking some serious butt at this thing. See all these booths walking down the aisles, and look who I run into here. That guy, Terrell. We got Slippers here and Junior. What? That's freaking wild stuff. You guys got a booth? Yep.
Got a booth this year, baby.
Don't you? Oh.
It was empty. We just walked up and we're like, hey, let's set up shop here.
Yeah, so the plan is I gotta get these guys to collab with me so we can all do the video together. Huh?
Isn't that what we're doing right now?
Oh,
Kind of, a little bit.
yeah, kinda. So
Hi. Who have we got? Let's have a look. Tyler Varga.
Tyler Varga. You are the winner.
So I'm in the Cujo booth. This is Sean. He's got the Cujo shoes. You've seen me wear those in my videos. We did a giveaway. Hanging out with the Cujo gang, getting her done. Yeah? So check out this thing. Who wouldn't like having one of those just for fun, you know, just to say you have it? All right, where's Jordan at?
Thank you.
Where's Jordan? Hey!
How's it going?
Yeah, good to meet you. Yeah,
Hi.
this is my wife, Amy.
Nice to meet you.
Yeah?
Yeah, so-
These are the same size.
Yeah, these are the exact same spreader, just the only difference is the frame stainless frame counter.
So, Honda mower. It's a 216. I think this is just a push mower. I put the blade all the way down. We're gonna see if the engine can handle this. It's a 170cc engine. Let's see what happens here. Deal right there. Put it all the way down and actually it doesn't look too bad. So it actually cut pretty decent. It looks low, pretty clean looking. Not bad. Wish it didn't have the auto choke, but see how many of the clippings I was able to get. Look at that. Quite a lot of stuff here. It looks fairly cut up and mulched up. Not a bad little mower. I wouldn't mind having one of these if I could if I get another mower. I was kind of thinking about getting another Honda, or I'm kind of leaning towards the Snapper actually. I don't know. So here at the Spiker booth now, the outdoor booth, they're kind of doing their thing, doing their time trials and all that. I could beat all those guys easily, but I just don't have the time to get on there and try it out. I know I could whip all their butts, but like this guy, he's nothing. See how big he is? I could take him on easy. Yeah, those guys are wussies. I could beat him so fast. Look, they've even got a starting line and everything. They got the time trials. They're posting their scores over here. Oh, look how fast he is. That and everything. I could double their time easy. Got any candy in there? Hey, 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 hey.
The man, the myth, the legend, right there.
But don't put that in.
Why not? So, been through a large portion of this expo here, and I see a lot of cool stuff, but the one thing I do not see a lot of cool is I didn't see one Toro reel mower, I didn't see one John Deere reel mower, and the only reel mowers that I kind of saw was a California trimmer, saw Cub Cadet, which was really cool, and that's about it, guys. It's pretty crazy, but really didn't see much for reel mowers, which is kind of sad because I don't know. Bad deal there.
Hey! I'll show you. I'll show you. I'm from Canada, eh? Here we go. Here we go.
Ah! Every time. See, I own this guy. I own him. He's mine. He doesn't have a touch on me. I'll get him every freaking time. Him and Jake. Right?
I love you, Connor.
Okay, so I am Connor Ward. Somebody labeled me as the Lawn Rebel. I don't know how that happened, but it did, so I just went with it. I'm on the YouTubes. Got the YouTubes channel. So this is the party right here. We're gonna give away this spreader. And I want to thank them for giving me the opportunity to do so. Okay, let's get in there and pick this one right here. Who we got here? Greg Berg Hall.
Yay!
Greg Berg Hall. Greg, are you here? No, Greg.
We'll call him. We'll call him.
We gotta pick someone who's here. It's not fair. Bergal. Bergal. Greg Bergal. So anyways, thanks for coming. Is that it?
That's it. We'll call you.
Yeah, so keep it real. Thanks for coming by the booth. So take a look at these huge pots right here. These are pots for commercial locations for like annuals or stuff like that. But you can see how big this pot is right here. I want to have these, or maybe something like this or that, at my house and fill those up with annuals so they can kind of spill all over everywhere. This is fantastic. This is one of the coolest things I have seen at GIE, just for my personal needs. So see how big that is right there. Freaking awesome.
What's up, guys? It's Brian here, Brian's Lawn Maintenance.
Ben from Australia, Sims here. Alan Hayne, the lawn care nut. Jake, the lawn kid. Ben, the lawn guardian. Silverback. Who else we got here? Who's this? Castleberry, Paul Castleberry. Hey! Yeah, we're tight.
Just making it a little more awkward.
Yeah, right. Hey! What's up? Jimmy? Lewis?
You want to share an appetizer?
Yeah, he wants to share an appetizer with me. Heck yeah! The Lawn Whisperer and RVA Lawn Love right there, folks. Yeah, what's up? So what an exhausting kind of dealio. That was a social media overload for me. I went through a lot, and that was a fire hose of information and social interaction. So let's go back home and get back in the grass, get back to my projects. Met some really fun people at the GIE there. The Lawn Whisperer, Lushy, who else was there? RVA Lawn Love was there. The Lawn Tools were there. Pete Denny was there. Chris Helms was there. John Ware was there. So many cool people. Moving Shrub, he was there. Richard Nettles was there. So much fun. So, but let's get back to reality here. So, anyways, we will see you later. So I made it back to Salt Lake City. What a long day of traveling. Oh man, we had such a good time at the GIE convention there. A lot of cool people, a lot of cool products to see, and good stuff. So, fun time, fun people, fun place. So, that's gonna do it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the lawn and in the next video.